the president of the Northeast India Tourism Confederation, also the president of the Tour Operators Association of Meghalaya, and also the vice president of Federation of Shillong Hotels. Uh, I'm one of the first to open up a guest house in Shillong way back in 2001. And also I have a tour company known as Clara Tours. We're doing tours across Northeast. See, adventure here just come up recently in a big way. Earlier, we have about 10 years back, 15 years back, somebody have started doing some adventure activities. But now it is picking up. And in fact, I think lately you must have heard today, even the bungee jumping is there in Meghalaya, the first in Northeast. So it has come up very well. But one thing is that we still have a long way to go as far as adventure is concerned. Because what happened, we need lots of the support. Maybe from the government also we'll need a support. Because as I mentioned, if you're going to certain activities where you need lots of equipments, and here people are not be able to afford to get all those equipments or to purchase those equipments, and we'll need lots of support. And also we'll need, I think, in terms of corporate support for adventure here. You know, this is a very good meet. Through this meet, we hope that a lot of awareness will be there for adventure tourism. Because so far, most of the young people here are not aware about the potential of adventure tourism. But through this meet, I think something will come up, and definitely we will see the results in a couple of months' time. From this meet, the first thing is that, as I mentioned just now, the awareness is being created just now, and we have seen that there are lots of adventure activities which our young people could take up. That is one thing about adventure meet. Secondly is that we can see whatever that adventure can contribute in a big way towards the development of tourism sector in this part of the country, Northeast and in Meghalaya in particular. And also it will help also for the big contribution towards the what you call the economy of the state. Because as it is right now, we have seen the economy of the state depends mostly on tourism. If you so to say, the contribution to tourism earlier, I think, I don't know if I'm right with the figures, say in 2011-12 we have about 41 something percent, and now it has come up to more than 46%. So that is the contribution of tourism. And we feel with adventure tourism, more contribution will go towards that tourism sector, and that is what tourism can help in getting the maximum revenue for the state.